Welcome everyone. Today we're going to dice a potato in 3 cuts. Potatoes are a really good first vegetable to start practicing knife skills. They're soft, and no matter what, you can always cook them up and make mashed potatoes, no matter what your pieces look like at the end of the day. Now I'm trimming off all 6 sides. That's just going to help my cubes become even more perfect at the end in the finished product. Now, first, I'm going to slice my potato into even slices. Try to get them all the same size. Take your time. Now, grab your slices, and you're going to turn and cut them across into batons. Baton is a French word that means stick. Now, these might look like a familiar shape that we know and love. French fries. So if you want to make French fries, stop here. But today, we're going to continue and make a dice. So line up your batons and then cut across to make your dice. Try to get them the same width as your first 2 cuts. And there you go, perfect dice. That was fun. Let's do it again. Grab your slices and cut your batons. Now, turn the batons around, you know what to do, and cut across to make your dice. Awesome! That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.